Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the model number of your laptop computer. So normally on your system properties you're not going to see anything concerning your model number of your PC. So to check that, what you have to do is to go to control panel. On the search box you're going to search for device. Click on the empty space here. Now click on the name of your computer. In my case it's Elvis. And down here you're going to see the manufacturer, Acer, and the model number over here. So this is your model number of your laptop computer. Predator PH315-52. The same goes to other brands like HP. You search for control panel. Click on it. On the search bar, search for device. Click on the empty space. And click on your computer name. Down there, you're going to see the model number and the manufacturer. So that's how you find out the model number of your laptop computer. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.